highs in the mid-70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Columbus Day, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Scattered thunderstorms are expected today.
Hello.
The primary threat was a line of storms, but large hail will be possible across western North Texas this evening. Heavy rain is possible with any thunderstorm today. Instances of flash flooding may occur. Any reports of flooding or severe weather today and tonight will be agreed. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday. Isolated thunderstorms are possible Thursday and Friday, mainly across central and east Texas. The ultraviolet index forecast for October 4 to 7 for high.
Here it comes.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Fort Green signal was a test of the public warning system for Weather Radio Station West XK35. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Bell, Muskie, Oriel, Falls, Hill, Limestone, McLennan, Milam, and Robertson. This concludes the test of Weather Radio Station West XK35.
Now, you do know.
Attend the premiere in LA and win a guitar autographed by Taylor. All thanks to Republic Records and AMC. For your chance to win, just listen to this station on your free iHeartRadio app. Every hour you listen on the app is another entry only on iHeartRadio. This report is sponsored by Community Coffee.
South at 10, gusting to 20. Elsewhere around the region, DFW Airport, partly sunny, 90. South at 14. Abilene, partly sunny, 90. South at 13, gusting to 22. Queen, mostly sunny, 94. Heat index 101. Southeast at 12, gusting to 21. College Station, mostly sunny, 91. Heat index 101. South at 13. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Waco metropolitan area. This afternoon, mostly sunny with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Tonight, a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday, showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny in the afternoon. Not as warm with highs in the lower 80s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of... Saturday, mostly sunny. Cool with
about time.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
There you go, son. That's what you missed school for. Alright.
Comes ours.
Get dressed.
But large hail will be possible across western North